Hello, what is up everyone, RF Design here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the Hot Wheels Fordtransitconnect, number 6 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Art Cars, and number 64 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this up. So you might have remembered the Dodge van, which had the alphabets on the side of the car, and this time we have another van, but this time with something else on its side. So in today's van we have the Fordtransitconnect, which is also in white actually, but this time the bottom of the base, the bottom of the car is in gray, and basically the back is also gray. And yeah, let's take a look at the car itself here. So here it is, the Fordtransitconnect in white, and as you can see, the first thing I'm noticing is you can see a tiger at the side right there, which looks pretty cool, and it says D right there. And what is that? I think those are some leaves or some flowers. Pretty cool right there. Hot Wheels right there at the door. And then I don't know what else. Half of the car is in gray, and as you can see, the wheel arches are also in gray. And by the way, these are all plastic. The bottom gray part is plastic, as well as the wheels and the rims are in black, by the way. And look at the windshield, transparent, and as you can see, you have a black interior. Moving on to the front, you have a light gray front bumper, whereas the headlights are not colored as usual. Whereas yeah, there's the Ford logo right there, as you, if you're wondering. Here's the other side, similar to the left side just now. Moving on to the roof, it also says D, and those kind of look like falling rocks, I think. Like falling rocks from the sky. I have no clue, but yeah, quite interesting right there. Moving on to the back, nothing on the back, obviously no rear lights or anything. You just have this gray back right here, which is quite interesting, and surprisingly it's just gray and plain. Maybe you can it's supposed to like open up, but obviously And there you go, that is my review of the Fordtransitconnect. And yeah, pretty nice van by the way. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye. This one doesn't, but yeah, it's pretty cool. The base is in gray by the way. Hot Wheels Fordtransitconnect 2019 Mattel and made in Malaysia.